To step into properties with the debugger, you actually have to enable a thing that I completely forgot what it's called. I think you have to, there we go, step over properties and operators. I'm going to uncheck that so I can prove to you guys that when I run product1.name equals hey there and I hit step in, we are now executing this setter. And if I hover over the value keyword, the value keyword is the value that was assigned to this property. See, if I jump back in my call stack, hey there is the value we're assigning name to, which means that when the property gets invoked, the value keyword has that value in it. All this code is doing is that it's making sure that our string is neither null or white space, and then it's assigning our local field to that value. I can go ahead and step in one more time. So I just stepped in on this line right here, the access of product1.name. Notice how it's now executing the getter. And all the getter does is it returns name. So let's do one more example of a property. And properties are not specific to C#, but they're one of the more, C# is one of the major few languages that support this. C++ doesn't support properties, Java doesn't support properties. You can, once you start getting into dynamic languages like Ruby or JavaScript or PHP, it becomes a little bit more complex to describe properties because they have other features that are similar. So yeah, let's do one more property. So remember my get display string method? Does everybody kind of get what's going on here with the string get display string? Where we're just taking some data, concatenating it together and returning it. So think of this as like a computation, like a really expensive, super complex computation. Or no, it's not complex because of it, or expensive, because if it was expensive, we wouldn't make it into a property. So this is a super inexpensive computation that we're performing.